Lalu Prasad Yadav's eldest son, Tej Pratap, who has been expelled from the party as well as family, his ex-wife is now speaking out. The divorce proceedings, although, are still underway. Aishwarya has made a big claim about Tej Pratap's video scandal, a video that of his reported girlfriend and partner was released earlier, and now Aishwarya, his wife, is speaking out. She's calling it a pre-election drama. She is saying that where was social justice when I was abused? Remember, Aishwarya left a couple of months later after the wedding, and it is believed that the couple were not getting along, and the divorce proceedings have been dragging for the last 6 years.
ये लोग सब मिले हुए रहते हैं, ये लोग कोई अलग अलग नहीं हुआ है, ये लोग सब मिले हुए हैं। कल भी राबड़ी देवी गई होंगी, उसका आंसू पोछी होंगी और बोली होगी अभी शांत रहो, सब हम ठीक कर देंगे। इलेक्शन के बात है, इसीलिए इन लोगों ने ऐसा ड्रामा रचा है। ये लोग सब मिले हुए हैं। हमको तो मीडिया के थ्रू पता चला है ये सारी बातें। हमको अपना डिवोर्स भी मीडिया के तरफ से पता चला, हमको तो पता भी नहीं था। हमको जो इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलता है वो हमको मीडिया के थ्रू ही मिलता है।
So for more on this, let's go across to Rohit Singh. Rohit, clearly Aishwarya, they're claiming that this is all just damage control because of election season.
Well, yes, that is what Aishwarya is maintaining at this point of time, that whatever action Lalu Prasad has taken against his eldest son, Tej Pratap, is just a damage control, and just because elections are coming in Bihar in next 5 months, and that is why, to ensure that not much damage takes place as far as RJD is concerned, that is why Tej Pratap Yadav has been sacked from the party for 6 years. But what Aishwarya is maintaining, she was speaking for the first time after all the entire ruckus happened in the last 48 hours and the revelation of a girl in Tej Pratap's life for the last 12 years. Aishwarya was very critical about the Lalu family, and she was in fact seeking justice. She was asking that where did Lalu Prasad Yadav's social justice go when she was being humiliated by the family in 2018, when she was thrown out of 10 Circular Road, the official residence of Rabri Devi, where I am at this point of time. This is the very house from where Aishwarya was literally thrown out in soon after her marriage had taken place, just months after that. And now Aishwarya, after she has come to know about the presence of Anushka Yadav in Tej Pratap's life for the last 12 years, she is asking that why was she made to marry Tej Pratap Yadav, and why her life in fact was ruined by the Lalu family. Now she is seeking justice and blaming that all this is nothing but all the family members, whether it's Lalu, Rabri, Tejasvi, Tej Pratap, they are all hand in gloves, they are all together, and it's only about elections that action has been taken against Tej Pratap Yadav. Maybe it's just to showcase that the Lalu family is very upset with Tej Pratap Yadav, but soon after elections everything will be okay. This is what Aishwarya is claiming. Back to you.
Right, Rohit, thank you for those details. So clearly the estranged wife of Tej Pratap now claiming that this is all just a sham for elections. So love, betrayal and politics. Tej Pratap Yadav's explosive post has unleashed a chain reaction that's shaken his family and Bihar politics to the core. With Bihar preparing for polls, his revelation has ignited a bitter family feud and a political storm. More in this report. A raging scandal in RJD First family, months before Bihar goes for all-important polls. Lalu Prasad Yadav's eldest son found himself embroiled in a scandal after posting his photo with Anushka Yadav, revealing his 12-year-long secret affairs with her, despite being married to the granddaughter of a senior Bihar politician, and a messy divorce proceeding. The photos and viral videos of Tej Pratap and the woman jolted Bihar politics. Tej Pratap deleted the post and called it an AI-generated image to malign him and his family, but the damage had already been done. His father and RJD Supremo Lalu Prasad Yadav had no option but to sack him from RJD and disown him from the Yadav clan, questioning his immoral action, which Lalu said questions his values. The move was backed by Lalu's family, who described Tej Pratap's actions as devoid of values inculcated in his upbringing and inappropriate public behavior.
कि वो अडल्ट हैं, बड़े हैं, उनको अधिकार है, वो अपना निर्णय क्या उनका सही होगा, क्या नुकसान होगा, ये अपना निर्णय वो खुद लें। और राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष जी दल के नेता हैं, उन्होंने अपने ट्वीट के माध्यम से स्पष्ट कर दिया है।
But Lalu's political foes are unsparing, terming Tej Pratap's sacking a political stunt timed with upcoming polls.
खारिज करते हैं।
ये शुद्ध अनैतिकता है और चुनाव के समय लोगों को गुमराह करने के लिए तेज प्रताप को दिखावे के लिए उन्होंने पार्टी से और परिवार से निकालने की बात की है। अब देखिएगा चुनाव के बाद ये परिवार में जैसे थे वैसे ही रहेंगे और पार्टी में भी वैसे ही उनकी वापसी भी हो जाएगी।
बिहार की जनता मन बना चुकी है, संकल्प ले चुकी है कि 2025 का विधानसभा चुनाव में एनडीए जो नीतीश कुमार जी के नेतृत्व में चुनाव लड़ेगी वो जीतेगी और इनका सुपड़ा साफ होगा।
Tej Pratap's estranged wife and her father have in the past vowed to fight politically and legally against the Lalu clan. His estranged wife claims Tej Pratap is prone to eccentric behavior and possesses highly erratic traits. Will the fresh scandal involving Lalu Prasad's elder son impact the Bihar elections? With Rohit Singh in Patna, Bureau Report, India Today.